Do it, mama pussy. Do it. You know, let me like this. Rascal. It nearly catch me.
Why you so shooting well?
Shall I push on about my shoes? Because do it like to ramp on him. Cannot do it, don't ramp with me now. Because you like, do it, behave. I'm not moving. Do it, behave yourself. You like to ramp and you can't take ramping. Do it, behave yourself. Do it up on the fucking live. You look like you want to shoot me for truth.
Never shooting.
Yes,
He never shooting.
Draw down that channel. Draw the toilet I do. Yeah, for that. Anyway, crazy. This is that. Do it. You know, so do you like to I do it, behave, not do it. All right, come on. Never come off. Don't. All right. I'm coming off now. So I still promote my shoes. I promote my designer, my legacy, my shoes legacy. Because I cannot buy anybody shoes. Because if I buy them shoes, I'm going to chat me. Yeah, so I'm proud of my one. Because you know what? Do it, stop. Shut up. Me not laugh. Do it. Behave yourself and not do it. What should I push you do? Shall I make it? I can't ever block the door. Let's try. All right, crazy. Later. Yeah? Don't come off. Don't. You know, say, shoot me, Shallan. I just have feel it.
No, Grace, it hit the door. Because it was cling.
Do you not rap? Do it. Fucking stop. Not do it. This man, I say. Me say, do it. My, you make that something that catch me for real enough. My papa have to do angry, sir. Somebody help me. Man clone like your mama pussy to when him should have fuck and get you. Yeah. Your mama pussy to when she open up to your father was a man clone for your father. Low blood clot me. And my shoes on.
I'm fire blank.
Do my head hurt me. Can you stop doing my mama have a fever and all of that? I may go tonight. Stop. Yeah, I then. Yeah. Well, them ball for the summer, not really me, because I'm not really here, because I'm always out of the bloody country. So realistically, it doesn't really matter when I come and get the little chills. But it's Olivia stuck. I'm going bingo walking and them afraid for fly them that have millions and trillions. Them ball for the sun. Me say, the sun drip them. Box them. Pinch them, thump them, me say. Now, asking man. If they eat, not do it over, yeah, you know. Shame I kill me. Why you shame, darling? I have had a headache from man. All the 2 painkillers where you give me cutie, don't do a thing. Don't mind your cutie. Because my head still hurt me. Look how long I take the painkiller then. Anyway, as I was saying, the eat, the hay fever, look at my eye them. My ears scratchy. My throat is scratchy. My nose is scratchy, but my vagina is not scratchy. For the A fever. Oh my God, I told the what is about artists, one I chat me say. No man, that cutie, I don't know. At least it try. Yeah, cutie, at least I try what I feel. But goody, may I tell you, it's like the eat, did. Oh, remember me at the weather at plus menopause at a 3 stage of acne that me I got through. Fucking hell. Me say, if me not turn up try me walk without clothes. Well, I don't. When I'm not on the live, I'm in the house without fucking clothes. I swear. Me say, my son see me, come here and see me that naked as a neighbor ass cat and sung this and so. All of this I talking about. Mommy, this is I may talk back to you like no, but this is fuck that. No man, it's hot. It's hot. Right now, through my company live, I'm drawing that clothes there. Can't have our clothes in this virgin. Jesus Christ. Every minute say, every minute say, what me do just now before I come talk to you tomorrow, come show off for do a song. I show off for the song. So I come show off with the song. I push little bits in my nose, little in my nose, little in my ears, little in my ears. So that's how I keep my phone maybe half an hour. Because right now, I talk to it take time to creature. Horrible, man. It's fucking horrible. Why them not have A fever at Jamaica? Eh? Why A fever not there at Jamaica? You know what kind of pill I got to take now, cute? Because I remember I go to them, I got to do my ear double trouble. Bomba clot! Double trouble is waiting down the Nicky and Richie liquor store. And it's gonna be Richie's birthday. Happy birthday, Richie. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, Richie. Happy birthday. Give me that, please. Happy birthday. But now, like, go to my car. Come to any or whether I'm ear of Queenie, whether I picky, whether it looks slick, whether I'm on fleek, whether I'm cute, whether I'm ugly, whether I'm awful, whatever. I just be my fucking self. Come here tell you right now. I got a fancy dress tonight over Lit Bar. Anyone coming to lit it up in Lit Bar tomorrow, tonight, today? Anyone wanna come lit bar to lit it up with me? I feel like I'm go in my ear see oh yeah. Jesus Christ. May I tell him I have to draw off the white ear. I don't want to be a white witch. No. I don't want to know. So I took it off. Hey, you know what I do? I just take the bottle of water, 1 cup of water, and dash for myself. Dash for my face. Every minute. When I back pack up some corals and I look on corals. They said me go outside and carry some outside and they eat lick me. Where you want to lick me far? Where you want to lick me far? Can't compare with the queen. Top trending top stream. Anyway, I'm not stay long with you because I go out later and I start out my life. I just wanted to premiere the song with you. Lots, okay? No more drama. I would not talk. What kind of drama? And we like, I wouldn't let people talk about now. You're sick? Thank you. Yeah, baby. I'm sick. Yeah. Can you heal me, baby? Oh, I'm sick. Just go over do Viva, please and thanks. Go over there and criticize me. If you want to drag my pussy tongue like Bingy, go over the Viva. Don't come over here, come up there, free chat, empty chat, just internet chat. Just go and go stream chat, man. Give us like a stream chat. So stream this bloody stupid ABC music. The the 1, 2, 3 music, but at least we are doing music and we're recognized and you are watching. So that's good enough. Remember, your mother and your father do, then the egg connect. Then the egg start to grow in the womb. Then months after, maybe the baby come premature or maybe the baby come 9 months. But it's a process. When the baby born, them feeble, they don't know what to do. They just lie down and suck breast, shit, and piss. After 2 weeks of having that child starts to shit, and fifth grade. Then it goes on and on and on. And that baby, you have to catch that baby up. If it's a girl, you catch that baby. Stop watch. Shut the fuck up and don't tell me what to stop. It's my mouth and it's my TV. If you're not being rude, sorry, but fuck that Friday. Nobody dictates to the queen. Nobody in this entire life come and tell me what I should say as a big growing ass woman. It's rather rude. As I was saying. So if the baby at 3 months and as a girl, you can't catch them up for them sit up. This is a boy, them take longer, you catch them up. Them nowadays, baby, I catch up from early. Then after you catch up the baby, then the baby can't sit down by themselves. Then the baby start cool, start make the little sound and something. Within 5 months, the baby can use them finger and pick things. So everything is a process. Then after that, the baby start to lonely. Lonely now. No, the creeping, no, reach a whole past stage. You see it? So the creeping part still not coming yet. So them creep, pan them two knee. That's after them can sit down, then creeping time coming. So when them creep now, when you see them a creep on one knee and have 1 foot cock up, you know, say them are going to start lonely. I want to customer say, fuck that Friday, I don't give a fuck. This marriage is for... Who's talking about marriage? It's not marriage time now, darling. Duh. Anyway, am I for that? When the baby start lonely, after the baby start lonely, the baby takes steps. You stand there still like a statue, and then after a statue, you start to make 1 step. Then you take 2 steps. Then you take 3 steps. Then you take 4, step it up, step it up, step it up. Then you start to run. So everything is a process. On a trouble me, I send my pussy come going, on a share it up like when Jesus shared up the fish and bread. And that's enabled me to find a career. Now, I endorsed my career from 2020, which is 3 years ago, and I'm proud of myself. So I don't give a flying motherfucker who wanna say stuck or mock. I am proud of me. Me, Johnny Sinister, Esprit Scarlet, is proud of myself. I am well recognized. I am popular. I am relevant. I won Sting. And I am going on Sumfest. I was at O2 Arena, then I went to Ding Dong, then I went to Suns. I've been putting in a lot of work. A lot of people been booking me for lunch parties, wedding invitation, engagement parties, private function. I just sit there with my flat bummy nose, with my lovely smile and my character that Father God gave me, and they pay me to stay in their building for half an hour. If you want to stay longer, Queenie, we just want you for an hour. We just want you in the same vicinity as us. We just want you to be yourself. That is what you call hot girl, top girl, never a flat blood clot girl. Right here, sir. People call me Queenie, you can't do it as my baby mother. Just so I tell her I say I love her. I don't have to pay me. Queenie, you know, some my friend birthday, I want to have to pay me. Not call my phone. Anyway, right, crazy. I look up my A fever self. Oh God, the A fever beat me up. Hey, wait there before I go. Don't come here on a dirty bomber clad today. Don't come here. Listen. What are we gonna do? Me about 2 shoes yesterday, but I 1 shoe and I had 2 outfit. I said, Beloved Queenie, oh, I want me, trust me. So you know, some of dash your shoes them. Well, not dash them, I give them to charity. Some have one only for drunk and crazy. I'll go one queen like that, no matter all the shuffling. Listen, I'm telling you a secret. So I'm take up some old clothes in now and put on a box and I carry them, go get it. Where you carry the clothes, them go. They have clothes bank where you go throw the clothes them in England where you know want. So me for do the ads though, I'm beg do the ads. Do it. I take too long for do the ads. I'm a speedy. So I ask my daughter for do the ads. When I come outside now, I'm going about now. When me look, me see the two shoes about my dash. We're supposed to go church. Why? Me know the two good. None of blood clot to do no know me like oh me know. No. Remember if me not entertain and I don't have a Queen Lady gangster. Anyway, don't move. So I'm reaching at the car now. I have a little white slippers. My member say, I see the shoes on the back. I'm going to have a aisle shoes to do them two ads. I have a whole pair of shoes up the top. I never have no time to go take up no shoes. I'm going to make my uncomfortable. You see them little shoes there? They're comfortable. So when my daughter see me go back in the car, Penny hype. Hey, Penny! When I'm going at the back for the shoes, I'm coming at the car, them not say to me, say, Mommy, we are going them all dated shoes, I say, may I put it out to make them class, me? Say, blood class! Why? But not lie. It's not even a trap, me said. It's just the fact that me know enough. For argument's sake now. Suppose it's the one pair of shoes me did have. And it's comfortable to me. And me like the shoes. When I think that true, when I trouble me and the shoes, more to wear the shoes, them comfortable and nice. I buy 3 of them shoes and I send 2 go to Jamaica. Because I like that one there. What me do? Well, I tell it. No, you didn't give it to me, fam. Oh, lie, sorry. Yeah. I buy 3 of the shoes and I send 1 go to Jamaica because I love it. But I have a jacket to match it, you know, it comes from Accessorize. For some reason, every time I put on the shoes, I just do it for ads. Because it does not feel sexy. You know, when you have high shoes, you give it that pitch, you know? You give it that seduces. That poster, that body, a poster name? Yeah, you give it that, ooh, you know? Me say, when I done my blood clot. Pilot, what happened? Hey, Paulette, me not lie. Me say, you're not predict the shoes. Not say to me, not say, Mommy, where you go them all date, all. Shut up. Oh, me take over those song like a master. That's the fucking purpose of a wife. Fuck off, I don't leave me alone. It's for that Friday. Me say, oh, the God, me shoes, me not lie. Sweep the door. And look at, no, so every shoe for do the ads them from when? For the party tonight and for Richard down, so. But it's to be speedy. I say, well, my energy is to do something. That time it's to do. Everybody better attack. So if I attack you, you know what I do? I find somebody else and I work out something else. I go my girl at the back now and see shoes them call to me. I put them in one bag to give them when I say, Bumbo clot, I can't run it out there. I love Queenie. No, them shoes that go viral. Love them. You have to accept what is yours. You don't sit down and let people dictate to you and tell you, oh, Queenie, your shoes don't match your clothes. Any blood clotting match anything when I want to put on from, I feel comfortable in it. The man where invent clothes and color coordinating. Me can't invent what me want for myself. Me not have to live off of what him say. So I can't chop my shoes. Unless when I'm ready, I'll barefoot. Yeah, man, I don't do my shoes bad. If my fish on a rich blood clot shoes, I'm gonna put my foot in them. Well, instead of all broke them when I sell show in Jamaica, I have whole heap of new broke yes, sir. Can you see the difference in England? England keep your shoes them. Jamaica mash up your shoes them. Me carry on 30 pair of designer shoes at Jamaica. Me saw some lean, so some open them mouth, some are yarn, some are belt. Me take time import some of them come back to England. Some of them mash up cause them lift. No, this we don't want to hear more about the shoes win. I said to Nas a while ago. Sorry, Mr. Nas. Mr. Nas, please read the comment about the shoes. She said, Mommy, I don't want to read nothing about with your followers. But Mr. Nas, please, because I remember made it talk about the shoes before we do the video. I may have drive in a shit a while reading out. So I'm going to take out the phone I'm going to get. I said, Nas, please read them. Mommy, A fever kill me. I said, just read 5 Nas, because I 5 pit them up. Yes, the first read the first 3. She couldn't stop. You're not said she read, I'll be a nice laugh. You're not so. Mommy, so now you're too right crazy. No. I said, Nas, I the first something I ever say. But Instagram, I want to be right crazy, and of course, I attack them. But I don't see nobody defend the shoes like everybody. Why? Love me about it. I said, if none of the Ryan crazies them, not defend the shoes, because them always are defend me. I let me sleep to pussy clock that up on some of the page. I cuss me. They said, no, Nas, not one of them, I say. Why? Why? I love Queenie to pussy her ass clock. Look how much shoes me have now in a life. Me could I make one tell me about my shoes. When I'm in that country, I go to school without blood clad shoes and I leave me alone. I have shoes in. Shoes in. Shoes. Rich blood clad shoes them you know. I bear rich shoes them there you know. And then look at flower shoes them you know, proper shoes them. You hear that? Yeah, me have some in a bed underneath bed. Me have shoes. Pretty shoes, Versace shoes. Alexandra McQueen. What name? Alexandra McQueen. Me have around 5 pair of Alexandra McQueen and I buy one time. One go, I go down there, go buy the whole of them. 4 grand odd. Years ago. Souvenir. Pretty nice, pretty shoes. Look, me I show them my shoes collection. Them and I go see shoes. Ugly shoes, sexy shoes. Shoes is a girl's best friend. That's what I think. Ladies should have all different types of shoes. You understand me? Like since I reached 50, I cut down the high heel them because I have only high heel shoes but I don't wear. I have some shoes that I need a bed there. Some rich Versace shoes, Chanel blood clot shoes. I have a Chanel shoes that Anisha buy me by the upstairs one, Anisha buy the flats. Them they sexy. With a nice board heel and the big Chanel at the front, so sexy. Black. You said me put on that. Woo! Nobody act like a boy in my band. I have on purple Versace, no, Gucci shoes and I need the bed there, so. You said me get the blood clad shoes. I was to go buy the shoes for me. I'm not sure them shoes. You said me carry shoes go to Jamaica. The shoes. Oh, shoes. Me bumble clad. When me carry shoes go to Jamaica. I'm going to see this sun. Don't make me titty them drop out. Wait. When me carry shoes go to Jamaica, you know. See them, eh? So you put on all this. Them shoes are can't done. I won't name them in there. See the Gucci. Them name can't done. I've got shoes. You send me put on this and up on this. This is around an 8-inch heel. You can't talk to no. We have to stand up stiff like them sexy. Wait, the whole is special. This. I'm telling you, can't tell me about shoes.
Whoa. Huh? I'm going to ask you a job.
message, you know.
Oh, go on. Cutie, yeah, good?
Cutie, then,
Yeah, she's okay. She's in trouble, man.
a cutie have shoes.
Yeah.
And them sexy shoes that me I talk about. Watch them shoes there. Versace shoes. Them shoes are sexy. See that? Girls have nice shoes. You want to see shoes again? Dolce and Gabbana. See that? Sexy shoes. Nice shoes. Nice. Hey, don't ramp with me, you know. You figure you. You don't know I'm quick from my ear that do it, don't ramp with me. Do stop. Alexandra McQueen shoes. Move on a blood clot. Someone who don't even have New Brook in a shoes collection. What says? Ah, do it! Do it, don't do that. I know some. I know somebody up on the live. Oh, do it, man. Do it, stop. Do it. Do it, stop, not do it, man. Do it, please, do it. Do it, don't do that, brother. Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah. Why I can't put my something on them like?